Hey you guys, so I'm back. I know I have been a little MIA since we have transitioned down here to Miami, Florida. Like, listen, we are having a blast. It's still been super, new, so we're trying to still explore, get set up here in the home. So anyways, I just wanted to say hey y'all. I'm Raquel. If you're just now joining, we have transitioned, moved out here to Miami, Florida. We've been out here about 3 weeks, or a little shy of 3 weeks. So yay. I'm currently sitting in my bedroom. It's not a lot going on in here. I'm still trying to get things like organized because it's so tight. The closet is like this big. Show you some of the things that I have going on here in the home. We've been here in the last couple of weeks. We are just needing a small, really small sofa for the living room, and we will be done with this apartment while we are here in Miami, for the time being. I have a little cute little desk over here that I got from Ikea. And so yeah, I got a mirror, all of that stuff. All right, you guys, so here goes the bedroom. There goes the little air diffuser that I have plugged in for our bedroom. Don't mind all this stuff. I'm still trying to get settled in, but look at how perfect this desk that I picked up from Ikea. This is the vittsjo desk. I ended up having to go with this like black brown color. I originally wanted white, but it works well because the window trim is the exact same. So I was like, I'll just get it and spray paint it and all that stuff, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. It works. I don't have to worry about smelling spray paint, running paint. We're gonna make it work. Also purchased another acrylic chair. I already have one in our household goods, but it's working for now. My desk is still a mess because I'm trying to get set up. Let me put this down. But here it goes. I found this tray. I said I was kind of getting away from this, but it was so cute, and it rotates. It was only like 20 bucks. Don't mind this. I have to get the sticker off of here, and it's just like a whole bunch of mess, but it's coming along. It's super cute. It's perfect. So now I can work in here, and then the other long desk that we have in the living room, April and Dordell can work there and all of that. I found another one of these. I just placed it here. It came from Home Goods for $24.99. It's really super cute. I have to clean this tray out, but there's so much stuff over there. But I just have it sitting in here so until I can get over here and finish unpacking and getting stuff together. But how good this does look, and I like the color. This little stand I got also from Home Goods, like $7.99, but I'm gonna have my pens and like all of my little accessories for my computer in here. But at some point I have to get organized. Like this little stuff is to put on your desk so you can put your cords in there and stay organized, and it doesn't look so messy, so I have that there. And how cute is this little frame? I picked that up. It was only $6.99. It's a little bit ago, like right when we got here actually. It was only $6.99. I thought it was super cute. So it just sits here. Hopefully one day I'll get a picture. New purchases and all that stuff. But look what I've added. I had this with us in our U-Haul trailer. I figure it's perfect lighting. This actually is supposed to be rigged into the wall, but I wired it so you can use it and have a switch like that. I got that little kit and learned how to do that from Germany when I lived over there. I went to the hardware store. So you can take any light that's supposed to be in the wall and wire it for a cord, and that's what I do. Use it, cut it on. And then over there is my little corner shelf. I just have my little night light. I love this little light here. It's the perfect little lighting, enough lighting so we don't have to get up and cut the ceiling light on and off. We just have this here in the corner, and ordered this rack because it was not enough room for Dornell and I to share the closet. So all of his little clothing is over here. For the most, well, I'll take it back. Not everything, because we have some in our front closet, but like t-shirts, jerseys. And then the reason I even purchased this rack, because it has this rack right here, and then the bottom he has his tennis shoes down here. 2 levels. That's why I found this on Amazon. So it's working out just well. My closet, don't look too hard, is a mess. Still working on it. Hey, so here goes this mirror that I found at Home Goods. It's a little larger than what I anticipated. I really truly wanted the one from Ikea, but it was not in stock for so long. I kept checking. It's still out of stock. The Hoover mirror, and it's, you know, it was only like $129. Yes, it has not been in stock. So when I saw this one at Home Goods, I thought it was awesome, but it's larger than what I anticipated. Nonetheless, here it goes, right here. And it's almost like the one that I already have in my household goods in our regular house stuff. And then there it goes. I found this plant. Ooh, where did it come from? Walmart. I think so. So you see how I had it here, but then I thought it was too much, so I put it back against the desk over here. So yeah, there goes this mirror. Okay, so originally this is called the vittsjo as well. We also had this when we were over in Germany. I had it in my bedroom for my handbag, so I went and repurchased it again. They only had the white, but it was just too much on display, too much for that little bitty room. So instead of trying to take it apart and take it back, I just placed it in our kitchen, and we're gonna use it as an island. And as you see, I've been placing our waters down here. I even have this little bin where other waters go, you know, onions and all that stuff. And then actually my cutting board goes here, and I've just been stacking cute plates here. I found these at Walmart. They don't have a ton, so every time I go into Walmart, I try to find like one so I can collect them. I think they're really nice plates. So that is how this is looking. And then we added this like rubber thing so we can protect it, and also, you know, it can make it so things don't slide off of here. So that is here. Cutie right here also came from Walmart. It was only $5. I'm gonna repot it. I have two, but don't they look so faux? They're real. Super cute. Here's the cutting board that goes there. So we're making it work. There we go. There goes it. And then right here, perfect to have a candle on here, so I don't have to worry about having it on my countertops and stuff like that. So there goes this little stand, Ikea vittsjo. I'll have it linked if I can find it. Oh, there goes the other plants sitting up here. I need to find a home for them. I'm gonna repot them, and then I'm gonna find a home for them. But still working on this situation right here, but it's perfect. Okay, finally got the TV mounted today. We found the TV at Target. It was like last minute. Went in, grabbed what we could. They didn't have a lot to choose from. Darnell, first time mounting this on the wall. So it turned out good. And this one, you can tilt some way. The TV can tilt down for this stand here. But again, these are the two chairs. April can work here, Darnell's work down there, but we're working it out. So there goes that, and that's out to the patio. He's out there. That is the view. What else? My roses were here living, but they're starting to die off. Got them from the grocery store, but look how cute, so spring-like. And they are in my fish bowl here. Super cute. I'm gonna cut them down and try to revive them and put them in the refrigerator, and hopefully it'll prolong their life. These PJs, April, say yay, hey, she purchased for me and herself from Shein. Look how cute and classic, Chanel-ish these look. So super cute from Shein. So I hope you enjoyed me taking you around and sharing some of the things that I've gotten, or we've gotten accomplished, because I couldn't have done it without Darnell. But we've gotten so much done. We got the TV purchased and put up. desk here, the desk out there, the table and chairs. The only thing that is left is a small little love seat. I think I'm gonna get like a small pull-out bed. What's a little sleeper? And it's really inexpensive out here, so I think I'm gonna go that route just in case we have somebody need to crash here. I don't know. We'll see. But that's it. Thank you so much for rocking out with me. Thanks again for sending out this air purifier, because I definitely needed it for here in our bedroom. It's been so stuffy here, and I'm actually on a hunt looking for air diffusers. I have yet to find one that I like, but I'm gonna put it over here in my bedroom as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll have whatever I can listed down below in the description box. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. Give me a big thumbs up if you have not, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.